Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're looking at the force grown drones, and I've got one base done of them. They have slightly different poses. I've done this one carrying his spear downwards, this one ready for throwing his spear. I've got this one. Oh, gold. Oh, that's not stuck properly. Bear with me, let me bang that on. A bit more. So I've got him carrying it at a bit of an angle. It's a bit better. And then this one of him just looking as though he's standing at ease, kind of thing, with his sword, sorry, with his spear and his shield on. I decided after looking at putting that one together I wasn't going to put the shields on, but I want to show you how these are built, so let's do so. We have, let's zoom in a second. Okay, so we have a shield, which, as I say, I'm not going to put on, but what we need to do is we'll get glue on the feet and press down. There we are. While we're waiting for that to dry a little bit, we'll take the torso and the head and press the head on there, and we'll just wait a few seconds for that to settle. There we are. And then we'll put some glue on the top of the torso, and there we have it. That's what we have so far. There we go. Next job is glue on the right arm, and we'll place that under there like so. And as you can see with this one, this is one that is carrying his spear horizontally. I just need to make sure that it's actually stuck on. That's the hard part. Here we go. Come on, enough. That's not on his well, that's not in the right position, should I say. This is getting a little silly. I managed to do the other ones with no problem. Get on camera and we start getting problems. There we are. Now the torso's coming away from the legs. Oh dear. There we are. That'll do. And then I just put this on there, and once I get this at the right angle, I'll press it on. There we are. That's that. And then the shield gets put on like that. So there we go. I'm going to leave it at that because, as I say, I don't want to put these on too much because it's going to be a pain in the neck trying to paint them. I think I'm going to have trouble with this one for painting, but you can see how it fits on. At least I'm hoping that's how it fits on. But there we are. That is the forced grown clones. Weird little things there. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.